Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another Crafty Dare. I'm gonna try and film each Friday, which I did not do this past Friday, for my Crafty Dare because today is Wednesday. But I wanted to share my Crafty Dare that was for the 4th. No, well, we should film on the 6th, so it's the week of the 4th. So this week we had to use circles, we had to use acrylic paint, and we had to use cardstock. So in the theme of Christmas, I made these little ornament tags for gifts, and I love how this acrylic paint turned out. Um, so, and then I did it on cardstock. So I used this acrylic paint from Apple Barrel. I used this dark bronze from Target. I love their paint. It might be, a little bit more expensive. It's a 2 full ounce, just like this. This is, I think these are $2.99, and these are like sometimes you can get them for 89 cents or a dollar even. So, but I do love how these metallic ones shimmer. Um, and then I also use some of my folk art extreme glitter. I love that. And I wanted you to see, I don't know if you can see the glitter, but it's really glittery. I used a die from Impressions Obsessions. I've used this on a Christmas card. I don't know if it was last year or the year before, because I love that part of the ornament. And then I used some of my word dies from Ally that I have several of that I wanted to use. So I used Blessed, Believe. Look how that just turns out. Isn't that cool? Anyway, and then I have Joy on the bottom here. These are going to be really cute tags to add to presents this year. And then I used some twine from my stash, some red and, real thin jute. So that is my Crafty Dare for this week. Can't wait for this Friday's Crafty Dare. I'm still working on that one. My whole desk is full of different projects. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.